Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of quality on YouTube. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of quality on YouTube, you should just go to settings. And first you can go to the window of apps and you will enter to YouTube. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors. You can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can search about YouTube and you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.